and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glinda and here I talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And on today's video, I am going to be creating a half wig. I'm going to be using this blockhead. I cover my blockheads in plastic. If you guys don't know, I was a professional hairstylist and wig maker at one point. I am now out of the hair game and I still like to play around though. So I wanted to start making half a wigs. I just got an idea from this one influencer. Her hair looks so good and she gets a sew-in. I don't like sew-in, so I'm going to be making it in a wig form because you guys know I like to clip my units off and on. I don't like dome caps, but I do like them for U parts, V parts, and half wigs. I haven't got my half wig technique down just yet. It is pretty good, but I haven't got it down just yet. But once I do, I will come on and do a talk through, like real tutorial. This is just me showing you guys quickly how I make it. If you guys have any questions for me to put in the next video, because I will be making another half wig, please let me know down below so I can answer those questions in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? Just the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot. Hey, give me my respect. I just took it left like on every dex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro step. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't make a sweat. That's because I'm gone. Out of here, I'm gone. I go from 6 to 20 feet like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack, serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmies cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving, wild ass tall nigga. Something wrong with her, got them all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. It's a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? Feels so big, I call them billions for real. Reasons to go crazy, got a trillion for real. They been trying me, but I'm resilient for real. I can't go in public like civilian for real. And I hardly take offense. Money for revenge, man, that's hardly an expense. I hammer checks off of all of my events. I like all the profit, man, I hardly do percents. A big part of me resents niggas that I knew from when I started in this shit. They see what I got and man, it's hard as you can sit. Fuck what they got going on, I gotta represent. Hey. It's a rolling, not a stop. Why shit don't never stop? It's the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot.
So this is the half part wig. It looks so good, guys. So this is the final look, guys, of my half wig. I can push it back a little more. I can push it forward. I can do so much, but I like it like this. It just looks so natural, and my layers are in there. These curls is not going anywhere. If I like, I'm gonna be wearing it with headbands. Just put me some headbands on, girl, and going about my way. You guys, the natural extension installs are back, and they are here to stay for a while. This is short and fun. So yes, you guys, if you guys like this video, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my other social media sites. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Bye, guys.